guys, I not like to, I really like TT. I don't want nobody run her.
And the answer when I did get Jaden, I never did all this one to Jay.
Thank you. You never got this one, Dragga?
I did give me answer when I look for. Because
but Dragga tell me, say, you sit down and hear you this one him. So him said that's the reason why I'm this one you.
Me never this one, no. Me never this one.
You say when Jaden asks you a question, you this one him.
Me did not give my answer. Yes, I said don't ask me that. What was the question? I passport did ask me, but why you ask me that for? That's what I said.
Oh, alright. Yes, you know, me listen to you both now. You understand me? I always want to give my local one saying in everything. Right? Honestly, I feel like more I run away from the whole because the whole on stress me out.
I'm right now.
You understand? But when I say to you, TT, I'm all you be truthful. You love Dragga?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. As in love him like you in love with him, mama?
When the first day, me and him meet, me see him nice and him calm and all him ever ask for peace in him life.
What nice about Dragga? I'm a son still, but yeah, he nice.
No, but in personality.
You love him personality?
Yeah.
So,
a lot of women I say my woman beater, but me not see it on him. Me not see it.
So you not plan to give up? No, be truthful. Not because I'm there, so I talk to you. I ask you a question. You not decide to give up?
No.
So all I talking when me and you depend yesterday and me did that chat out my throat wall. You didn't listen to nothing when me say?
Yes, I was.
Me shame.
Me have.
Me talk yesterday.
Yeah, me love myself.
Yeah.
And him nice and all him ask for the love and attention and respect in my life.
Okay. Alright, continue. Thank you, baby. Alright, we got you.
So all me I try to prove him. I not try to prove him wrong. But things I don't even know if he said.
See no response. Alright, me just ask again, cause the lady I go come up contact you, cause me feel like different people for talk with you. So you not care about the baby mother, you just want to know, say you just work towards the man.
Yeah.
And you're willing to put in the work.
Why if me put in the work it I go sweating on.
Jesus Christ.
Hey. I'm in a business with Chanel. She's like you know, one word to sit down on your shoulder and just a pressure you.
Okay.
Every blink, a problem. Every turn is a problem. There's no, you know, this when I come here, I pay a problem, I'm there by myself. And I am not the one who is doing it.
Okay.
So I try to make peace.
So me go take up a lady who send her shoot the money gun there. And thank you, baby. So in a year sense you decide say you want the man, you love the man and you not let go.
Let him go now and it's all painful. Pain.
So instead of you let go, you rather say, well, and it. So in a year, so you think of pain?
See, if we're hearing that thing, I'll let that friend baby mother say, yeah, mother, let him go.
Alright, don't. Alright, what's she there? One person was sending money gun. What's she there? Her name start with D. Guys, don't send any requests come for me now, please. The one person who send the money gun there, I would like if you send your request. Yes, see her there.
Sure.
Yes, see her here.
Go back in.
Send me your request now, please. She not there. A whole heap of them are sending, send your requests. Just keep on sending. Because a lot of people are sending their requests and them know me not going to answer it. Send it come for me now, please. No, she didn't in the comment section, but she not send a request to me. Guys, don't stop send me request, man, and send me so much at that. Where she is? Annie, please let your sub know we will mute them. This you we don't care. Hello, may I tell you now, you see people in with sub chat? We una go get mute. So no matter if you sub chat you come here and disrespect me, you go get mute. So no sub chat will come over here and disrespect me, because it go rather worse. If you disrespect me and me see you, me a block you and me no care. You could have one badge way bigger than my head. Me a block you. So no play with me. Alright. A piece me a look. Please me I beg you. The person who send the money gun, me not talk till me see her.
Message send admin now.
Admin send a request to me now, please. Duke, you can't put her up here. Put her up here for me. I think you can do that. Put her in the box. Put her in the box, please. Alright, Duke can put her in the box. Give me full access. Alright. How are this?
This money can only go.
Hold on this. Let me go down. How I go down this girl? Oh shoot. Oh, hold on. Wrong set me go press. One set me press.
And if you pick up them. I'm married?
Yeah, moderator. Alright, Duke, you have it. Alright, another lady send a money gun. Where she is? 2 person. We don't want to move on. We want somebody else carrying the convo. Where is that lady? You the see person send a money gun?
Yeah, I'm going to see her again. No. You send the money gun. Universe.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Alright, just show love. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, Duke, you have access to the person who can come up here. Alright? Once they want to have a conversation. Alright? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Alright. Oh my God. Goodness. We keep on a look for your lady, because she first send the money gun. But Duke can take her up. Duke. I got you. Alright, baby. Thank you so much. Alright, guys. Before we even start off, I want to say something. I want to say something, right? With me as a mother-in-law, I will put pressure upon my head. I'm not lie to you. I talked to TT last night. I'm say to TT, say, TT, I love you. I'm not going to leave you out. Oh, that's okay, right? I'm not going to leave you out. You get what I say? No matter what I go on, I'm not going to leave her out. Even right now, she not have her passport. I'm going to look after my kids' them passport. Me I go and try get fear one too. You get me? Say all of them and my look up pitney them. You understand me? I say to her, say it don't have to be about any relationship. It does have to be about yourself and loving yourself and know what you're worth. Who is the next person? Yeah, make him the next person know if they want to come up. No, out of all of this, I'm a preach to TT. I preach to TT yesterday. I say, TT, listen to me, you deserve better. TT, listen to me. Thank you, baby. TT, what my opinions are saying, listen to me, you know. Yeah, TT, today I tell her saying love. Right? All right, there's somebody want to talk to you. Please, I hope you listen. Trendy, thank you. I press you, I go reason with you. Hey, just, me understand still, you know, am I your first love?
No. I never have a first love before. All of my life, I did heartbreak.
Say, am I not your first person you love? Am I first person you love like this? As in, okay.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, how you doing?
I'm doing okay. How about you?
I'm good.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love and support. You have a question for TT? Okay.
Yeah. That was she's so young, and I just said before, Guys, now run and leave you. I'm sorry, I work in the hospital. I'm a nurse. I'm on the face cover. But she have to have, you can make up her mind first. She have to make up her own mind and tell herself, say, she have to love herself. If she don't love herself, she not gonna love nobody. And she's a pretty girl. She have to go back to school.
She
Tell
is.
her to go back to school and further education because that is the key of life. When you have your
Yes.
education. Yes. You're a
Yes.
pretty girl.
Yes. Thank you.
Me gonna do it like the Jamaican way now. Man now run left you. The whole heap of man dead there. Whole heap of man dead there. So you
Man,
see education, you have to road smart with it. And when you road smart with it, you can move ahead and do what you want to do. And your mother-in-law are a counsel. I don't know if I know your mother-in-law what. Touch of kids. I should know the worst. Okay? Are you are so beautiful?
thank you.
You don't understand it?
She understand you're just breaking up. You're
Okay.
going in and
I keep doing your good work. And have a,
all right.
I'm in the hospital. You know, I'm working. I'm a
Okay.
nurse, so my face is covered. But have a blessed day. Have a good one.
You too.
And
Thank
God bless you.
you. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right. Thank you too.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Duke will always, a person them go for come up, Duke, I go always do that. Who's that? Zoe? All right. We soon call you for your part, all right?
You never come down.
No, we're going to have a convo. When we're done with TT, you will come up. Each person will get for them chance, all right?
Which person are you come to?
Yeah, everybody.
Alice there, Virginia there, Tajana there, Elena there.
Eldina, did it?
No,
Then gone.
So, me, you and Chanel?
Yeah.
me, you, Titi, and Shana.
All right. That's who soon call you. Just go and relax.
Magalano.
All right. We'll call you.
I can go in my room.
No, Magalano.
She go call them. So you come like this, you get rid of the ass. But you know, I'm trying not to come and say you come, so.
Yeah.
You get me? Alright, so, thing is this now, right? You hear what she say? Love yourself. Don't feel no way when a person say love yourself
When
because...
the part when she say, and him alone out there as man, my mother tell me that before when me did love this guy. And him turn me down just because the type of work when I do, he feel like say me that do things.
Yeah,
Like how him would think say me sell and him so me that's what he thought.
yeah.
So me try to prove him wrong and him this does not work, so I just love him out.
Okay.
And after me left, me did live with him. After me left him house, him run me out of him place and something. So after me left, him find other woman, which is him have other woman while me and him there, and him make it like say me do all of the dirty work.
But when me try to say to you is... Zoe?
I do a woman somebody.
When me say to you is, me don't want to slam Jesus. She's catch something, make something catching.
Me have a call.
And he put me up. Let me tell you something real quick. Alright, may I come? Let me see, I want to say something to her and next I put you up, alright? Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I want to go slam to you now. Alright, you can't sit down. Let me tell you something now, right? Me hear you say you love him. Me know a certain type of love where you're really in love with a person where you come like say, you can't go in the room there, so don't like say we call you. Me never call you. I don't, me didn't want you lock. Right? But to me don't feel like it worth it. For that the PR, me know when you see man the other woman, you feel away. Even when time you go cross this or today and them sit down and eat the chicken or whatever, me know say you feel away. You get what me I say? So when me I try to say to you, say, it not worth it. You get what me I try to say? Me no know. But in myself, it would worth it to me if I look upon you and see over there with the woman and me can get the loving when me want from you and me in love with you. That go bother me. And that's that me I try to make you understand, you know. And see when me see you cry, oh girl, you won't even know. It make me feel bad in myself. It make me feel bad, TT. You see me? And it no matter if you're there around me and you find yourself one nice little young man, me not go hate upon you for that, me still go love you. Because I want you happy. You see when you rate somebody, you want them to be happy. When you really care about somebody, I'm gonna tell you something. You can love a man and let him go. You can. It's when you genuinely love somebody, Titi. I tell you, you can let him go because you want better for yourself and you want better for him too. Right? I'm not gonna start putting in your head. I'm not gonna start beating in your head. I see the move last night, you know, but I feel like I'm a fool.
No, I sit down, I think. Because I get to my brain and I get emotional now.
I see the bits and pieces last night. I see the lovey-dovey and the roar.
Him contact to me. So yeah.
As in contact you, just soft you up so.
Not really.
Yes, soft you up, man.
I'm not true.
Look on your face. Look on the blushing part. Look here. Be a blush.
Okay, now we something.
Oh, so that's the problem. You're weak to him.
Jesus God.
Is it true? Everybody there, so we are hearing it because you confessed last night you're in love with him. So that's why I wonder how it go work out because you want to go to Panama though. And she want to go to Panama too. Right? So how it go work out. Anyway, Duke turn now. Duke.
That woman never send her money going now.
Where she is?
Kudo. She. I see she send her money going.
Hi.
How are you?
Ben.
Hi, DT. The only thing I can say to you is that everybody say the same thing. You have to love yourself. You're a pretty girl. You're young. You know, I have no kids. Work on yourself. Like once a child come into the picture, then you have to worry about a child and yourself. Work on yourself. You have so many opportunities that you can do for yourself. And it's not like Annie will tell you, say, like, she's not going to be there for you. She's still going to be there. Work on yourself. Like, there's so many opportunities. If you want to do nursing, this is the time to do it now. This is your time because once a child come into play, guess what? You can't even focus on that, on yourself no more. It's you and the child. And then when you focus on yourself, God is going to present you the right person. Work on yourself. And I feel like you have a story that you want to tell people because, yeah, look for love. Because it's certain things about, I know how that look. I had family members that didn't love me the right way. So me just look for love in all the wrong places. Sometimes you just have to look at, and if you can't talk to nobody about it, start writing it down. Talk to people. Sometimes it don't make no sense to talk to people because nobody can really tell you how you feel. You know what I mean? So you're such a pretty girl. Don't make this situation be the last situation that you have to settle for. Don't settle. Don't settle. No matter what you do, don't settle in life. Because yes, we all have been weak to men. Yes, we all have been a yam head for a man. It don't make no sense. He have his baby mother already. And you already know, say, that's already a connection. And then I'll tell you nothing wrong. She said she's still going to be there for you. And that's a beautiful thing. Because at the same time, some people would have been like, get out of my house. Leave me alone. I don't want to be bothered with you. You get what I'm saying? But whatever you need to do, take this time and say, all right, I want to do makeup. Focus on makeup. I'm telling you, once you get that hobby and figure out what you really want to do, guess what? You're not really paying no mind. Because you'll start meet new people. And then you'll start have new hobbies and certain things. And then you'll start meet different people. And God will put you in the right place at the right time. But trust me, when you start focus on yourself and start love yourself, guess what? God will put you in a place where no man can come to you that don't love you as much as you love yourself.
That's true. That's true.
So I just want you to be the best person you can be. I can't hate you because we've all been there as a woman. I'm a woman first. We've all been there. And it doesn't make no sense to tear you down and say, oh, yeah, mad. Yeah, make a boy turn you into a minky. It makes no sense. But I'm a woman first, and we all have been there. That we meet somebody that don't mean us no good. I'm telling you, I was in a relationship, and it take me to the bottom. Because I loved him more than I love myself. And I see no type of improvement. And this is how you know when you in a relationship that's not for you. If it's anything that's taken away from you, guess what? If it's subtracting from your life, it's not meant to be. Anything that's for you is supposed to add. So keep your head up. Don't let this be the last time. You're like, oh, everybody will look at me and say, I'm not supposed to be with this person. But you're such, me see like you're happy. But at the end of the day, you deserve the best. Don't settle for the less.
Understand?
All right? Love
Thank
yourself,
you.
baby girl. Keep your head up and stay focused, okay? And we look forward to seeing you do great things.
Definitely. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, Queen.
You're
Good fish
welcome.
hear. A good fish hear from someone else. I'm telling you. Have a blessed one.
Yeah,
And thank you so much for blessing up the live.
yeah, we're all women. We're all women, and we are women first. So when it comes down to people and mothers and people, genuine, I appreciate you doing what you're doing for her, because maybe she just look up to you as a mother, as a figure, and continue what you're doing, because that means you got a good heart too. No matter what nobody say about you, I see through it, and you genuinely love TT.
That's it. Thank you. For true. For true. I love her for true. She good. She have a good personality. She lovable, you know? She's a people person. Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to take the time out.
So do keep doing what you're doing, Annie. Just love on her, and maybe she, as you continue to love on her, that love where you have for her gonna grow onto her for herself. Trust me.
Definitely. Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Have a wonderful one.
You too.
All right, guys. Yo, bless her up. Thank you so much, Queen. Make a lot of sense. But in a some way, TT, just please, beg you, take some of them in your brains and put it down. Don't just with the ears talk and you just make it go through 1 year and fly back through the next.
No, man, no.
You understand? But guys, me I go tell you this. TT love to dance. Alright? A lot of you guys, a lot of people try to look down upon dancers and such. TT is a bad dancer. She dance in music videos. She go on with herself. She got a party and, you know, she dance and do her thing. But a lot of people look down upon her, so she sell her body and whatever. But she's just a dancer. She do well in music videos, guys. Me not lie to you. She do good in her. You see the video them when me see she in with the artist them. You understand what I say? She go on with herself. And me know say she like her dancing thing. So in the meanwhile, yeah, do that for true. TT, you can't end up go back to school. Me a big woman. You're young. You understand what I say? In the meanwhile, you do your work and earn your money. You go back to school, mama. Right? You not take nothing from you. Right? And you see you're young. I want to look at young people come independent and own your own little car, your nice little apartment, money in a bank, you not fret about no boy if you do nothing at all for you. You can't do it now, you're just 22. You understand me? I want you to believe in you. Right? I know me talk straight to you. I hope you go through TT brains.
No, me hear what you're saying.
And I hope she do understand what we say to her. You understand what I say? You don't deserve